Hello everyone, this is Betty from WMT-CNC China. Today I'll introduce our best hot-selling machining center, VMC1160L. Its machine general parameters are as below. Table size 1200 mm multiply 600 mm. Its XYZ travel is 1100 mm, 600 mm, and 600 mm. Its CNC controller system is FANUC with English, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Spanish language settings. We can also offer other controller systems according to your need, such as GSK, Siemens, and Mitsubishi. Okay, now let's look at its tool magazine. Its tool magazine is ATC 24T LMAC brand from Taiwan. Spindle BT40 is Wallis brand from Taiwan. Its spindle speed is 10,000 RPM. You can also choose 8,000 RPM or 12,000 RPM. Its XYZ linear guide rails and ball screws are both Highwind brand from Taiwan. Its auto lubrication system is Hart brand. You can also choose other optional accessories like chain-type chip conveyor. It can remove the metal chips easily. Okay, so this is all about today's share of VMC1160L. If you're interested, please contact us, WMT-CNC China.